Hello, I'm Yok Bun. Today I'd like to share with you on how to use message board in VBA Excel. Okay. So to begin, we insert a shape, any shape. So let's say we take a rounded rectangle. Okay, like that. Okay. So once you right click this one, assign macro. Go to assign macro. Okay, then new. Okay. Okay. So you enter then tab. Okay. So over here you want to write, let's say, testing message box. Okay, then you put hello, okay, in double quotation mark. Okay, message box hello. So you come here, you click. See, message box hello. Okay. So you go here again. You try. Okay. Message box. What's it? Hello. And vbcrlf. This is a name. Visual Basic Carry Line Fit. Okay, and I am fine. Okay, just like that. Enter. Okay. Okay. Let's say we go back here. Click. Okay, first one is hello. Then we click. Second one is hello. I am fine. Okay. Okay. So now let's say we test here. We put 50. Okay. Okay. Then we go here. That means A1 we put 50. Okay. Then we this one the one. We put dim score as string. Okay. That means we assign a name score as string. Okay. So score equal to worksheet sheet 1 dot range A1. Okay, dot value. Okay. So that means score is equal to this one. Now enter. Okay. Okay. So we use a if statement. If score is greater or equal to 70, then we put message box. Your score is and we put score. Okay, then and vbcrlf and congratulations, you pass. Okay. Okay, then enter. If not else message box, your score is and score and vbcrlf and sorry, you failed. And and vbcrlf. Okay, again another line and try again tomorrow. Okay, and so okay, that means you miss. If let's say you now you click, you don't have the and if you click, you will have error. We try see. Okay, click. Okay. Block if without and if. Okay. So when you click this one, okay, you see there's a yellow mean error. So to reset this, you go here reset. So that means reset back the thing. Then you put here and if. Okay. That means okay. That means when you go back again, you click. Your score is 50. Sorry, you failed. Try again tomorrow. Okay. So let's say I put here 80. Your score is 80. Congratulations, you pass. Okay. So this is how we use message box to with the if statement or whatsoever. Sometimes you want to have data or no data, we use this message box to. This is the simplest message box. So hopefully you can understand what is message box in VBA. If you like my channel, please click. Thank you.